Today, LattePanda has launched a new, more powerful single-board computer, the LattePanda Sigma. This formidable new machine offers amazing performance and features, making it a must-have for any tech enthusiast or applications developer. The LattePanda Sigma is equipped with an Intel Raptor Lake Core i5-1340P, 12-core, 16 threads, processor. This powerful CPU is a big step up from the quad-core Intel Celeron N5105 found in the LattePanda 3 Delta and lets the Sigma perform faster and more efficiently. In addition, the Sigma also has an Intel Iris Z GPU with 80 execution units and up to 1.45 GHz, providing a significant increase in graphical capabilities when compared to the Delta's Intel UHD GPU. What really sets the Sigma apart, however, is its upgrade to 16 GB of powerful LPDDR5 RAM, operating at a lightning-fast 6400 MHz. Furthermore, the LattePanda has also included an onboard Arduino Leonardo compatible coprocessor, so it's easy to utilize the PO pins in order to build complex projects. But what kind of projects? Well, the Sigma could be used to work on machine learning and computer vision tasks with an attached USB camera. It also boasts dual Thunderbolt 4 ports and two 2.5 GB ports, enabling it to perform intensive tasks like gaming, video editing or data analysis. It's even capable of connecting up to 4 4K displays simultaneously, providing plenty of digital real estate to get work done. The LattePanda Sigma is available from LattePanda starting from $579 for the base model, $648 for the one with a 500 GB SSD and Wi-Fi 6E module. By investing in this powerful single-board computer, you can unlock the potential of your applications, gaming, and digital projects, all in one place. So don't delay, get your LattePanda Sigma today and start working on your next big project.